Good morning vlog. Today's Wednesday. Today's my busiest day of the week for sure. Got 4 classes and a tutorial, so I'm on my way to my first tutorial now. Starts at 9:30. It's gonna be a busy day, so probably a lot of footage of class and not much more until the evening at least. Next class. Class 2 done. Time for number 3. It's ethics philosophy. Should be fun. On my way to another class. I got some pasta for lunch and some apple juice, and I'm probably gonna eat it in class because I don't have time.
The dough one's made with the bottom up, not the top one. And it's pretty much the same. Bottom charge being a low here, negative charge. That is also fine. Alright?
So my 3rd class is done. I'm on to my 4th and final class of the day. It's a 3-hour lab, so it should be kind of long. In my orgo class, I sat at the back, mostly because I was eating. I didn't really feel like participating today. Felt more like observing. Just finished our lab, and it's latte time. It's the 2nd day of latte time.
I think we're getting an addiction.
Can you get an addiction after drinking 2 lattes?
Definitely.
Maybe. Stay tuned.
Alright, this is Jake, taking over the vlog. We're walking to the gym and we're hitting a good shoulder day today. But there's some guy on the treadmill who doesn't look like he's ever walked before. So let's see how this goes. Okay, see you in there.
Should be a good gym day. Hey vlog. Note to self, stop wearing shorts to the gym. Because it's awful. Wear a jacket maybe next time too, because that might be a better idea too. Just a note.
Look at this guy, what a dick. He looked at us like he was gonna open the door, and then he just didn't.
What a guy. Jake, are you just rattled?
Those dickheads are in there. I hate those guys. These are the most jacked human beings alive. It's all good. They're not jacked at all.
Yo Jake, gonna hit that Fortnite grind?
Here we go. Yeah, the juice on, dude.
Just making a PSA. You must put butter on your toast before you put peanut butter on it. Right, Ken?
This is true.
This is very true.
Yeah, okay, so your shield is...
Today was a pretty busy day, so I didn't really get a whole lot of content. Spent most of the day in class. Had like 4 classes in a lab, so I apologize for not getting a whole lot of content. I don't know. I think right now I'm kind of crashing on a caffeine crash right now. I had a latte earlier. I was feeling pretty good, but now I don't know. I don't feel so hot. I felt like eating chicken. Felt like I needed something substantial. So I'm making chicken. I'm frying chicken because our oven's broken.
Okay,